The DXZ A3 plus XP600 DTF printer is a powerful, high-speed direct-to-film printer designed to outperform older models like the L1800 and L805. I have provided the link to this product in the description below so that you can check the latest pricing details and offers if available. Featuring a dual XP600 printhead, it achieves double the speed, up to 500 mm superscript 2 per second, while delivering crisp details and vibrant colors with its 2880 dpi resolution. Whether you're printing on t-shirts, hoodies, or other fabrics, the color saturation and image sharpness make it perfect for professionals looking for quality and efficiency. One of the standout features is the one-click ink system. No more dealing with spills or complex setup processes, just press a button and the printer is ready to go. It's designed for ease of use, even for first-time DTF users. The dual white ink circulation system combines automatic stirring and circulation to keep the ink flowing smoothly, preventing clogs and maximizing print consistency. This significantly reduces maintenance efforts and helps prolong the printhead's life. The DXZ C13 is built to handle demanding workloads with its industrial-grade XP600 printhead and Hansen motherboard. It supports 24/7 continuous printing without compromising on performance, making it a smart choice for commercial setups or bulk printing environments. Stability and color accuracy remain intact even during extended sessions. In terms of convenience, the printer arrives as a complete solution. The package includes the A3 printer, an A3 oven, a 100-meter roll of DTF film, 5 bottles of ink, 250 milliliters each, DTF powder, essential cleaning tools, and a USB drive with a full installation guide. This all-in-one setup means you can get started right out of the box without sourcing additional accessories. Another major benefit is the included software with lifetime free updates. There's no risk of viruses or compatibility issues, and installation is smooth and secure. Plus, DXZ offers excellent customer support. Warranty coverage includes 1 year on non-consumable parts and 6 months on the printhead, with tech support ready to help within 24 hours. Finally, the long-term value is unbeatable. Along with your printer, you get a 2-year ink supply, delivered as a fresh set every 2 months, requiring only the shipping cost. I have provided the link to this product in the description below so you can check it out and see current availability and discounts.